Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a pinch effect by using the keyframe and retouch features on CapCut. So first add your clips and then go to the end of the clip and click on retouch, body, and then go to manual. And now click on the resize and adjust on the part that you want to. I'm going to go with in here, like this, and then adjust the resize into -50 and then add a keyframe and then click on a check icon and now go to the middle of the clip, go to body again and now click on resize, but resize it to +50. Like this, another keyframe will be created. And now go near the start of the clip, so in here, and then after that go to retouch again and now resize it into 0, like this. Click on a check icon and now add 3 keyframes like I do. Okay, so add keyframe in here, at the end, and also here. And now on the second keyframe in here, zoom the clip in. Okay, and now in between the first and second keyframe, go to grab and select this custom grab. Okay, click on a check icon and now go back, go to video effects, lens, and then find the wide angle effect, adjust it to 100, make it short and put it at the end like this. So now copy the effect and put it under and go like this, and now adjust the effect into 50. Copy again, okay, and put it like this and just adjust it back into 100, and now copy again and make it 100 still. Copy again and now adjust it into 70. Okay, so you can just add as many as you want like this, but I'm going to stop here. And here is the result for the pinch effect. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.